Today I have the Belkin Connect USB-C data plus charge adapter. This is an adapter that is a USB-C, you can see on one end, and it has two female ports for USB-C. It's adapter USB-C, Dones. I don't speak Spanish, but there it is right here, Dones. And recharge adapter, okay? It says for MacBook and iPad, up to 10 gigabytes USB-C 3 data transfer speed. And in Spanish, it says transferred de Dones USB 3 pendant entendre 10 up to 100 watts power draw recharge. And for those of you who speak Spanish, recharge USB-C PD Jasque at 100 watts. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. But before I do, I'm going to look on the back and show you what it's talking about. USB-C 3.2, USB 3 generation 2 right here, and it has 100 watt pass-through charging. Whoa, whoa. I don't know why I'm saying whoa, but whoa. It makes the video sound more official, like when I throw in words like whoa. Like Black Rob. Whoa. All right. So, USB-C audio pass-through support. We talked about that. Safe charging, recharge, secure, say in French. Compact and portable design. Now let's go ahead and open this. Go ahead and open from the top. And now we're here. Pull this out. Finger got a cramp. Or maybe it's just flexing. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. And inside, wait, there's nothing in there. Because it's right here. Quit acting silly. So right here I have the Belkin regulatory statement, declaration. I'm not going to read all of that. I'm tired of speaking in Spanish. Read this in the toilet. And right here is what you've all been waiting for, ladies and gentlemen. Gonna open it like it's Christmas. Toss that shit. And right here is the actual adapter. As we say in Spanish, USB-C. And we have USB-C here. What is this? It's more unwrapping to be done. I told you we're gonna open this up like it's Christmas. And so here it is. You can see on this, and it has some labelation. Right here is the 100 watt power draw input. Right there. And here is the USB-C 10, I'm not exactly sure. SS, maybe it's like a Chevy SS, I'm not exactly sure. But here is what you all have been waiting for. This is what you stayed up late at night waiting and wanting to see. The USB-C data and charging adapter. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.